Now you consider this one first. Here horizontal rod. Here two rods connected. Here say A, B, C. Then at the midpoint, it is suspended. Here first system. Then we know inclination 60 to each other because all of them are same length, same weight. No? Then W, W, W. Then just hinge here, separate it. Just hinge here, separate. Separate it now. Now let's mark here tension T. T. System symmetrical, then B and C forces are similar forces. Are the system symmetrical? Then if you mark Y here, you say Y also here. Here Y. Here Y. Here X. Here X. Symmetrical. Then B and C you mark similar way. Then here X. X. එක වගේම mark කරන්න. හරිද? But vertex B and vertex A, vertex C and vertex A different. Then you mark different forces. Say Y1, Y1, X1, X1. Different forces. But if you consider one rod here, one rod, AC rod, we have only two horizontal forces. Then definitely these two must be same and opposite. No? Otherwise that is not equilibrium. No? Then you better to mark here X1 opposite direction. Here X and X. Then here X and X like this. Now these two you can cancel, these two you can cancel. Now when you consider A, B, C part, this part, it going towards downward, no? Then definitely we have two weights, and these two Y must be upward forces. Then only that can be in equilibrium, no? Then you better to mark Y component here upward. Upward. You better to mark. Then here downward Y. Downward Y. එහෙම මාක් කරේ නැතුණා කියන කවුලන්නේ මයිනස් වෙලා එනවා. වයිද නේද? Now here are the forces now. Analyze it. Let's analyze. Very simple. Now consider full system. Consider full system. Vertical forces. Then we have T. Here W, 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 3W. Because all the forces at the ends, they become to internal force now. No? Then 3W. Then you can select BAC part. BAC part. Consider BAC part. Now here W, W, upward Y, upward Y. Then 2Y equal to W, then Y equal to W. Therefore, when finding vertical forces, very easy. Huh? Then consider this part, these two, Y, Y, 2Y equal to W, then Y value equal to W. Then you go to AC rod, vertical force, Y, W plus Y1 equal W plus Y1, Y equal W, W plus Y1, Y1 equals 0. So here symmetrical axis, by geometry it is symmetrical, by the forces symmetrical. Therefore here vertex on that symmetrical axis, free vertex on that symmetrical axis A. So at that vertex Y value 0. අර කලින් කියව point එක මුලින්ම ඕන apply කරන්න පුළුවන්. But by simplifying also we can get it. Now all Y values known, T known, only X need to find. No? Then take only moment. You consider AC rod, take moment about A. Then we have forces W, here 60, no? A cos 60. Then Y into 2A cos 60, X 2A sin 60. You take one reference here, W into A cos 60, then here Y vertical force 2A cos 60, X horizontal force 2A sin 60. ඔයාලට ඔක ප්‍රැක්ටිස් වුණත් one time එක සැරේ ලියලා දාන්න පුළුවන්. Horizontal one cos, then vertical goes to side. Check only the corresponding ratio. That's it. Now since W plus X plus Y minus, here resultant 0. Now simplify. Simplify. Y in W complete it. Reaction at C on BC. ඒ විදිහට කිව්වහම BC rod එකේ තියෙන forces දෙක බලන්න. මේකේ තියෙන BC rod එකේ මේ තියෙන forces දෙක ගන්න. XY. ඒකෙන් resultant value එක ලියන්න.